Hell, Matt must have stole it.
I saw it come off my grass.
I just saw it and then it was gone.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. Oh, decent yellow.
Yeah,
That's a keeper. We'll throw him.
Let me see that sucker. See if you know what a keeper is.
I know it's not like a Clear Lake yellow, but that's cool. Haven't caught one of those since last year. I would catch yellows this size all day and be happy about it, to be honest with you. That's cool. Can't even get him to open his mouth to show him off to the camera. That's neat.
They look healthy.
They do look very healthy.
Oh, two of them chasing it.
Oh, there's a mark there. Ooh, come here. Come here. I haven't figured out what these turds want yet, though.
I must be 4 foot off their line.
Oh, man, that one shot at it and didn't eat it.
Well, I hope it doesn't get damp up there.
And he's back.
It never has, because it's insulated, right?
Yeah. But if anything's going to get damp, it'd be the roof, wouldn't it?
Baby crappie. Do. Okay. There's white crappies in here. That's interesting. It's a little itty bitty white one. Okay. He doesn't want to be held. Throw him back.
Like to slap your mama.
Got him that time.
Ooh, hot dog.
You made mine get active too.
You're welcome.
Oh, thanks.
God dang. Oh, man, it was a good crappie. Damn it.
We're fucking way bent over. Your rod was pulling hard.
Thanks, Matt, for that.
It was like a 10-inch crappie.
Oh, no.
I'd take some of them. Them are good eaters there.
Yeah, I don't know what's changed in this fishery. If they went and cleaned the yellows out or what, but everything's healthy.
This is a
Wow,
bluegill
they
for
made the
sure.
trip here. You guys had me worried that we were just going to catch dinky fish.
Oh, maybe this is a yellow. He's
Hey,
fighting
you're
hard.
lying.
Am I?
Yeah,
God dang it,
that's
sorry.
hard.
I think you're still in.
No. It's just a decent gill. I'm not in your line,
There
dude.
you are.
Am I?
It might just be dropping down.
I think it's dropping down because it didn't come up.
It didn't come up?
No. That's a decent gill. I'll take that guy. Come on. Oh, that one shot up past my lure. There you go.
What do you get? You catch him on that jig you swished?
Yeah,
Oh, dang.
that's a good one.
Those are good eaters. Yeah, that one is nice.
That one I'll keep.
Crappie?
Yeah. He's a little on the smaller side, but I'll keep him. Gotta get back down to the school. Shoot.
Try yet.
Come and eat it. What are you doing? Oh my God. Why? Why do you not get the whole thing? There, got it that time. I think this is a yellow here, based on the way that he's fighting.
I saw him on my transducer.
He's shaking pretty good. Yep.
It's a little guy.
Well, good fight, but not exactly a good fish. That one wanted
A
it.
triple?
That one's got me.
Oh, that's a nice crappie, Colby.
I think that's what I got too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Both of you got nice ones.
That one wanted it. Holy smokes. I don't know if that could be any further down its throat.
Got him out and spit it.
Mine's not. Mine's not. Where's yours at? Oh, yours is fine. I'd keep yours.
Oh, there's a big school of fish down there.
Footage today, so that should be fine. 8.5, 9-incher. That's plenty. Plenty big to keep.
You ever met anybody through the YouTube and gone fishing with them?
Yeah, I took a guy to a bass tournament once. And then there's another guy that I fished with a couple of times. Well, the first time we hung out and fished was on accident. We just happened to be at the same spot on the same day. in Iowa City. That feels, I don't know, big.
Yeah, I got you. I got you.
He's over here. What do you got?
I don't know.
I'm pulling my line up.
Me too, because you came by at 10 foot. Gotta be a cat.
It's got to be a big old catfish.
They do have. I think there is muskie in here.
Where's that scooter at?
Scoop.
Scoop.
There is muskie.
It's big, isn't it?
Whatever it is, it's not small.
Where was it? Where did it come in at?
Just kind of off the bottom, and I thought it was like 3 fish.
My screen is lit up, man.
I'm sorry.
That's
Do they have walleye in here?
I don't think
I
so.
don't think so, but
I'm guessing it's probably a big largemouth or a catfish.
I'd say a cat.
He's coming. Kinda. You see him yet?
No.
Probably because he's
He's clear.
clear over there. Yeah.
He's on the bottom. You haven't even moved him.
Just take your time. Are you filming this one?
Yeah, I got the camera rolling for this guy.
Just don't lift it.
Yeah,
don't.
just take your time.
Just don't lift it when it gets up there, because that's when they break.
Yeah.
Don't try and horse him. Just let his head come to the hole.
What
He's still on the bottom.
is going on here?
I don't know, but I want to know.
I want to just see what it is.
It's got to be a big cat, doesn't it?
Matt, Blake, put that transducer. See where it's at, quick.
Well, I was picking him up. No, he's up higher.
Yeah, he's getting closer.
Doesn't sound like it.
Well, no, not when he goes on huge runs like that. He's not.
It's a good fish. It's got to be a catfish.
Yeah, but you get a lot of those fish are pulling your drag, so.
Yeah, but in this case, I'd just leave it loose.
Yeah, I'm just letting him do his thing. I'm getting some line
You're
back
picking a
on
low
him.
line up on him, aren't you?
Oh yeah, I have been. Here he's coming.
Yeah, he's coming kind of quick now.
Yeah.
Nope.
I haven't
he's
seen him.
he's getting tuckered out. He's getting closer, I think. Maybe.
I still haven't seen him.
What is this thing?
Badass if it's a muskie.
That would be. Be one way to start off the year.
Largemouth.
Oh.
Or drag it's loose. No way that should have taken that long.
Well, thanks for the assist on that. That's a good fish, though.
Lipped him.
Not often you can do that.
That's a nice largie.
Close to, I don't know what he would be.
15.
Yeah, 15, 16 inches. That is a fun surprise there. That's cool.
Should probably be a little quiet for a little bit.
I got one down on the bottom.
See you, bud. That was fun.
Thinking I need to get something done that makes some noise.
There, I finally got one of those out of that school to eat.
Called back in. Maybe that's what we need to do. Catch one and fire them up.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, God. This is not good.
Worked for Blake.
Tangled me.
Yeah, that one got me wrapped right at the top of the hole there. Marginal 8-incher, but we're cleaning fish, so.
Throughout the whole day.
2.5 hours out of the day.
That is correct.
Yeah, that does not sound fun, Colby.
It wasn't.
Oh, I don't know what that was.
It looked like it was decent.
I think it was.
Dang.
Because I missed the first
Came
half
up
hour
right at the
window.
transducer. I should have pulled it.
Oh, man, here comes one just trucking after it.
Are you in me again?
No?
What do you got?
Nice gill. You got me all cattywampus here.
City right now, huh?
Yeah.
Oh man, that got him going.
That was a nice one. Jeez.
In the snow.
There's a huge wad of fish down there.
I know, it is just insane, and they keep coming,
I don't know what you're talking about.
and they won't eat it. They keep screaming up to it, and then they stop, and then they check it out.
Now you tell me.
That one finally got it.
Maybe my finder's not working.
No, look at mine.
What in the heck? Is this got to be a big yellow or something?
Ooh, got him.
The yellows?
I don't know.
Oh, wait. I reached down and popped off.
This has got to be a big yellow the way it's fighting. 'Cause he just took off screaming. Oh, yeah. Nice yellow. Nice yellow.
They came through hot and heavy. There was a
Ouch.
Yeah, I had a nice one, but I reached down to pull it.
Open. Open up. I was going to show you off to the camera, you turd. There we go. You bet. Nice yellow. On the Mississippi.
Yeah.
And they caught pike through that. And that was nuts.
I knew where you were going.
Yeah.
So they just sat right next to the edge and dropped down through that
Mm-hmm.
crack, that seam
Yeah.
on the Mississippi.
And I mean, the ice wasn't bad on the side that they're on, and I don't know what it was like on the other side. Man, these little guys are fun.
Another yellow?
Yeah, it's got to be the way he's fighting.
I got one on me, but...
We'll just get the deucer out of the way. Yeah. Oh, man. That's fun, dude. Little 10-inch yellows. I get that they're bigger on clear, but
I'm by mud.
not... No. They did some growing over the past year, apparently. And I'm cool with it. Because I think that...
And everybody's keeping them out.
Yeah, though I will say that. Oh! You had it. You want more of those? Come and get it again. Those spikes are good.
Nice yellow, huh?
I guess so. The way that he is goofing with it, I wasn't sure.
Is it large now? Did it run it?
No, it's definitely yellow the way he's fighting. I think.
I need some fresh bait, maybe? What's my deal?
Yep, just a nice yellow. Come here, bud. These guys are fun.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind catching another one. That one I caught fought pretty good.
Except when they come through the hole, then they want to spike you with their gills and their
They like to
dorsal
spray that.
fins and
I
everything.
wouldn't mind catching a fish. I've been on a pretty dry spell.
That's a cool fish.
Yeah.
Presentation.
That flutter spoon goes off your graph all the time when you drop it down.
Oh yeah.
Shoots to the side.
Is that the smallest size that they have?
Yeah. That's really the only one I throw.
I think I've got some of those.
I
but-
have some of the bigger ones for when we were up on the line.
But you've also got the... Like, all mine have feathers on there. Do yours?
I have some that have feathers, but the ones that had the best luck on are the ones without the feathers.
Yeah, no, I thought about cutting all mine off.
This thing is.
I've never
just-
caught them on the feathers, really. A nice crappie.
Yeah.
there.
Oh my gosh. Try not to lose him. Oh, he untangled himself somehow. He got to the top of the hole and was coming up like a wet sock, and then he saw the surface and was ready to be out of there. That'll work, I would say.
Colby got one finally.
Yep, I did.
What is it?
Gotta be a yellow.
Then I can.
Really?
You've been catching more of the yellows over
Yeah,
there,
you
though.
really have been.
It looks alright.
Yeah. It's not really bouncing like a yellow, though.
Is it a big crappie? It might be a big crappie or bass. You got drag on there?
Just ran. Yeah, but it kind of sucks.
You You got something real.
Yeah, I'll help you here.
Oh God, it's close. But I just think it's.
Oh my God! What
no,
the
it's
heck?
a sucker.
What on earth? What?
I've never seen that.
You should.
What?
What on earth? You just caught a freaking sucker.
That's disgusting. I hate those things.
That thing is huge.
It is?
Yes.
What size do I
a big
normally
sucker.
get?
Not this big. You should take this north. You could sell this to a muskie fisherman for $25.
What?
Yes. This is prime time muskie bait right here. One this big. No
Why
joke.
don't you use those live bait for muskie?
Why? Well, because A, I don't even know where to get suckers in the state of Iowa,
Right
if that's
here.
even a thing. Well, clearly.
Yeah. There's a couple. I can't believe you just caught that, Colby.
What?
They are not into what I got going on. I'm gonna put on some fresh bait or something. Something ain't working. They ain't liking it. There you go.
That one just came up and off the bottom and just slurped it. It makes it easy when they do that. Nice gill. Makes it easy when they bite like that. Yeah,
That's gotta be a good yellow.
that's what it's looking like. Oh, nice yellow. Nice. Yes! Finally! Something ate it good enough to catch.
They heard your drink go over there.
Oh, shoot.
You know what they also say about these yellows to catch more of them? You're supposed to get the yellow off their belly.
Well, that was a pretty fun fishing trip to northwest Iowa. We really got on them good. Had a lot of fish to clean, a lot of cleaning to do. Haven't eaten any of them yet, but I'm sure that they will be delicious. It was pretty cool getting that nice bass that day, as well as like getting into some of the yellows, getting into some decent crappie. That was a lot of fun. And not to mention Colby's sucker. That was pretty funny. I can't. I don't know where that thing came from, but it was kind of funny that he started catching fish a lot better after we got that thing out of there. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.